So we are back at it with this fence that we were working on earlier. We had to stop for the day previously because it started to rain. We decided if it's starting to rain, we might as well go into town, get some more supplies, and get something to eat. That's always the solution when it starts to rain.
And what do we have?
Time
burger
for
and
food.
fries.
We had burger and fries, just like we were joking around about over there. It was very good. Loved it. Didn't get the shake though. Last time we were able to use the truck and pull the fence tight. However, we were only able to get it tight to like the third post over here, technically the fourth post.
This one.
Yeah, that one right there. The rest of them we couldn't get so tight because with the design we made, this last post over here, it's not really attached to anything. This post, just where it is right now, it should be strong enough. We just had to figure out a way of keeping it there while we pulled the fence taut enough to attach it. And what we were trying before with the truck and everything was not working because the post, when we started pulling the fence taut, the post started coming back this direction. It was getting pulled backwards. So now we just figured out, okay, just do something simple. I asked a few people who hopefully knew more. They really couldn't think of an idea. Then just realized, just brace it. Just do a temporary brace with another post. And then we're gonna put wood across the top to help brace it that way. That should be good enough for us to get some good tension on it. And like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be super strong anyways. So that's what we're gonna work on now.
So this post is actually right next to the building instead of being like off the corner of the building. And I think if it had been off the corner of the building, we would have been a lot easier to do this. But we finally figured it out. 3 days later, we got the fence done. Good grief.
So today we decided just no. We had a plan. We tried it multiple ways. The first way we were trying to use the Cumberland with our Stay Tough,
What is
the
a
yellow
Cumberland?
bar. Huh?
Come along.
Come along, cummerbund.
Cumberbund.
Some kind of, whatever it is, it's a useless piece of junk at this point. But yeah, the come along. I was trying to make sure I didn't say cummerbund because that's what I usually said, and I came up with something else. Cucumber. Yes. Yeah, we're trying to use a cucumber. So we tried it. It just wasn't working with the yellow Stay Tough stretcher bar because all the spacing was wrong. So then it's like, okay, let's go with the Amish stretcher bar, basically 2 pieces of wood, some bolts going through it. We went, we got it. Well, we got the pieces and everything. The first go around didn't work so well. We kind of damaged the bolts. Had to go back to Tractor Supply, get some more bolts, get those in. We finally got it set, and then we just tried attaching the chain in multiple places. We probably spent an hour just trying to find the right place to stretch to put the chain on the wood posts in order to stretch it properly. In the middle didn't work because then the bottom wasn't being stretched well enough. It's looser than the top is. So eventually we finally thought we had it. It was stretched about as good as we can get it. We went ahead and we nailed it into the posts. We detached it, and then of course this post over here started leaning just a little bit to the left, which loosened up everything on the top. So when we put the wood on here, like we did on the other pieces, we're just going to use this other post, smack it down further to stretch out the upright post closer to the shipping container, and then we will attach our 1x6 cedar posts or wood on here, and that'll help keep it in place that way. So like I said, it doesn't have to be strong. It just has to be fairly good and keep the fence somewhat stretched. So we'll do that. Once we get the wood on there, I'm sure it'll look good, and Gandalf won't care because he'll be happy either way. So that's it for tonight. We will see you next time.